Tonight, a missionary accused of sexually abusing 4 girls at an orphanage ran in Bomet County will most likely spend the next 16 years in a federal prison for his crimes. Gregory Dow pleaded guilty to 4 counts of engaging in illicit sexual conduct with 4 girls between 2013 and 2017. Gregory and his wife Mary Rose fled the country after grim details of their cruelty to minors under their care became public. Gina Kirori has that report.
Gregory Dow has admitted guilt for 4 counts of sexually abusing children, girls aged between 11 and 13, who were under his care at the Dow Family Children's Home in Boito-Konoin constituency, Bomet County. 61-year-old Dow reached a plea deal with the prosecution. The prosecution, led by U.S. Attorney Timothy Stengel, argued that Dow used force and coercion to perpetrate the most heinous of crimes, preying on vulnerable children for his own sexual gratification.
How many times were you sexually abused by Mr. Dow?
I was like 3 times.
His wife Mary Rose was not arrested with him, but court records show that she was mentioned several times for aiding, abetting and participating in cruelty to children. The prosecution says that Mary Rose knowingly subjected children to birth control implantation at a local clinic in Mogogo Shiek. The prosecution submitting that this was aimed at eliminating the possibility of pregnancy. The orphanage had up to 83 children between 2008 and 2017. The children were subjected to the most inhumane conditions by the missionaries, including being denied basic rights. They were never taken to hospital when sick, in the belief that faith would heal them. As a result, 3 children died of various complications. One of them, identified as James, was hurriedly buried in a box here, within the compound, and without a permit or due procedure. Another, identified as Amos Kipchirir, died upon being denied medical attention. His family is still seeking answers to this day. Gregory will be sentenced to jail in September 2020 and is likely to serve at least 16 years in prison as a result of the plea deal. This development, some form of relief for the victims. For a man who had earlier been accused of molesting his own daughter in 1996, many wondered how Kenyan authorities allowed him to set up an orphanage in Kenya and take in tens of vulnerable children.
It is clear this guy did a lot of crime in the country, but the government is following laid down procedures.
Dow fled Kenya in late 2017 to escape arrest. Mary Rose, on the other hand, was apprehended and served time in jail, but was released after a few months after paying a fine of 50,000 Kenya shillings. She too fled the country.
Children have for long periods continued to suffer in the hands of those who should care for them. And despite the spike in cases in places that should be safe for them, authorities continue to turn a blind eye to their plight. Tens of thousands of orphans and vulnerable children across the country. Gina Kirori, NTV.